Rob, it's Tuesday morning at the Star GB Open House. I'm on an exploratory tour around to see what's available for engineers when they come here this week. We've obviously rocked up on your Tungaloy stand here, but I didn't know you for sliding head lathe tooling. It's something that you obviously do.
It is, yeah. We actually have a 300-page plus catalogue just for sliders. You're not the only person who doesn't know that we have that, so it's great to be here today so we can let more people know about it.
This is the first time that I've seen you here at the Star Open House as well. How long's this kind of partnership been going between you and them? Because I know you've got some tools on one of the sliding head lathes.
Yeah, this is definitely the first time we've been here. It's a very new partnership. I've reached out to Steve, the MD of Star, and asked him, are you interested in having another partner? We came and met, and here we are today. That was only a couple of months ago. It's been such an easy company to work with, really, and we appreciate the opportunity to get our name out there.
It's often difficult, whether you're selling tooling or work holding, to get into machine tool companies, isn't it? Because they've already got their affiliations, they're people they know well, but you've found it a pretty easy journey.
Yeah, very much so, and I think that all machine tool manufacturers, they're more open these days because there's a lot of people out there with a lot of good tooling, and if you tie yourself down to one particular brand, even two particular brands, what about if your customer doesn't use that brand? So I think people need to be open-minded, really, because the products can make their machines perform even better. So
a quick couple of words on Tungaloy.
Yeah.
I know I'm going to talk to your colleague more technically about some of the tools we have here, but you have got boring bars, parting systems, grooving tools, all of those available for this type of technology.
Yeah.
But give us a quick overview of Tungaloy and where they are in the world when it comes to being a cutting tool manufacturer.
Okay, I would say in the world, the bigger picture is we're a 90-year-old Japanese company. Recently, 10 years ago, brought out by Berkshire Hathaway, who's owned by Warren Buffett, so it's a big corporation behind us. In the UK, we're only an 8-year-old company, so relatively new compared to other people that got here about 50 years ago.
What's the standout of the product though, Rob? What makes it sell?
The performance, but doesn't everyone say the performance? But it genuinely is. We've got products that, just because you don't know our brand, it's easy to think, well, it's not going to be any better than X, Y, Z, and it actually is. I mean, on a daily basis, the products speak for themselves, and people need to try and not take my word for it, really.
And here at the Open House, you're doing a special offer. So for engineers that come along this week, they can capitalise on something from you. Tell us about that.
Yeah, because like yourself, you weren't really aware of this kind of range that we've got, and for me, it's kind of, how do you get someone to know, listen to me and just buy into my words, or let them see it from themselves? So for this event only, anyone that comes through and speaks to us, we're going to let them pick from these 4 particular product ranges, and we're going to send them test tools at no cost to themselves. Obviously, we're happy to support them on that trial, make sure they're running them right. I know that when we tooled up the machine behind us, person who tooled it up ran it at normal feeds and speeds, and he was like, that didn't quite work how I thought. Speeded it up and it worked much better, but that's not what he naturally did. So sometimes it is, the tools can run quicker than what you perceive it to. So yeah, it's really come and speak to us and let us give you a taster of the product.
So it's a way of proving what you can actually do, a free trial from Tungaloy, if you turn up here at the Star Open House this week on sliding head lathe cutting tools. Thank you very much, Rob.
Not a problem, thank you.